we doing, everybody? We're going to start in here again in SketchUp and getting ready for our 1.8 wall components SketchUp for Schools app. Now, what we're going to be doing here is basically everything underneath the paragraph that we have in the beginning. You'll be building components that are in an exterior wall. Watch Mr. Han's videos to gain the knowledge and then practice your skills. Watching the videos in a step-by-step process will help you. Pause frequently, rewind as needed. The first couple of days in SketchUp will be challenging, but you will find more success as you work with it. The more you become familiar, the better you're going to be at it. Down here, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a folder in your Google Drive called Architecture. So starting in my 1.8, the first thing I want to do, I'm going to have this video kind of tagged right here at the end of the statement. I just don't have it made yet, is we're going to go into our Google Drive. So into a new tab. I already have a ton of tabs open. I already have a drive open probably somewhere. But I'm going to go to Drive. And the one thing I want to do in here is I want to do a new folder. And I want to call this folder Architecture. Or Green Architecture. Right, I'm going to go Green Architecture because I already have an Architecture folder. Alright, and hit Create. Now, this is really important to do before we start doing the rest of the stuff because we're going to be needing to save some things on our drive. And if we don't have that there first, coming in from the SketchUp for Schools app next, it won't allow us to make a folder. So now we have that Green Architecture folder for us there to be able to use, and we are ready to go. So that's getting started. So now we can go back to our 1.08, and then we can get ready to go with the next video, which is going to be saving the template file. All right, get going.